Did you fix it?
I think so. Did I fix it?
Huh? 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 I'm gonna do another intro. Ready? Hey y'all, welcome. Never seen anything like what happened on Wednesday. That was like unreal to experience. I am shocked. I am appalled. 80 of you showed up for me futzing around on a soundboard. SNG, be this loser or design a victim.
Why are we a loser?
Wait, yeah, why are we being so angry? I want to be that loser. Make me that loser. Going. Okay. Bree, I don't know if you know any more about...
Oh. Well. Okay.
So you have to fake it out a little bit. Don't hurt me. Oh! So this is just gonna be the game, huh? What did I do? Stop! Everyone stop! 7. It does not build. What? It still follows me. Oh, how? Woo. Okay. Yeah, this should work pretty fine. I feel better already. I have an education.
Oh, we need something to, you know, cool ourselves down from the heat. So, what's going on? So, I end up looking.
All right. If you get stuck, press tab and check for trees. What?
Oh, that's.
You know, I'm a big fan of nature in the way that I can be, given these... And who did that? He's on the move, okay? His happy drink had the kind that makes you go fast in it, Bree. Okay,
Yes.
yes. All right.
Okay.
I'm not gonna find tree coin anymore. I bet you didn't know that, Bree. But you know, he grew up just to hurt me. Crazy. Thanks for the fun fact.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Oh. I've died 109 times. I've died 110 times. I've died 111 times. Okay, please. Okay. Yep. Okay. So. I go through and just like, stop! I'm getting destroyed by trees. Who is throwing that? Who is... Okay, that has to be... Stop it, stop. Please. I like the close-up of his face being so nervous. He's so like... I did something bad. I shouldn't have done that. For me.
Oh.
And I think it was, Brie. I think I got deceived. Family stuff.
Yeah, family stuff. Trying to think. Because my favorite pack, I think, would have to be. Uh-oh. Did we win? Was that? Oh.
Are we going into the Dreamiverse? Oh my wait.
God.
Okay. Wow. Staircase to heaven?
Yeah.
I don't really want you near me.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
In heaven?
There is no peace for us. To see how many points I could get on that. So let's play the worst version, shall we?
This is gonna be brutal.
I was talking to Brie a little bit earlier today about my... Thank you so much for watching and joining us. Be sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, or follow. Whatever you're feeling, whatever you're thinking, that's all good by us. Woo! Maybe the tree game is having an effect on me. Fun. It's a challenge, and I'm up to the task, kind of. So, just saying, challenge mode. Never heard of it. Oh. Oh!
Oh, that was brutal.
Stop it! Oh. The balls. Balls are evil. I'm not on the path, it'll be fine. Alright. Alright, alright. Yeah. Please. Okay. '63, 1963. Rest in peace, JFK.
Like, at this point, give us the gun.
Give me a gun! If Pomni can get one, so can I! Overarching, like... Ah! What?
Oh.
The apples are bombs! Keeps getting me. Okay, there we go. No! And nutrients that kill you. Okay, apple bombs. Screw y'all too. Tree blocks me. There has to be something I. Oh. Her pwa pwa. Her pwa pwa. Had a pwa pwa. Had a pwa pwa.
What? No. No. Mm-mm.
Was that the bomb? And so, like, we got the bundle. I'm gonna choose living, laughing, loving myself, and stopping here.